हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू तोरल एजुकेशन on the digital class platform. Here friends, we are going to take exercise 7.2 today. Exercise 7.2 needs some theorems such as theorem 7.2. Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Let's see. Here given triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equals to AC. Opposite angles of equal sides AB and AC are equal, right? So we need to prove angle B equals to angle C. Let's see, angle B equals to angle C. Okay, let's see here. Let us draw the bisector of A. Angle A is bisected by AD. AD is bisector of angle A. AD is bisector of angle A. Now friends, here A and D, angle A and D be the point intersection of this bisector of angle A on BC, here on BC, right? In triangle BAD and triangle CAD, look at the figure. BAD and CAD, these are two triangles, and we will prove that angle BAD and CAD are congruent, that is equal. Okay, let's see. AB equals to AC given two sides of these two triangles. BAD equals to CAD. By construction, we have constructed bisector of angle A, so BAD equals to CAD. And AD is common side, AD equals to AD. So by side angle side rule, we can say triangle BAD congruent to triangle CAD, right? So ABD equals to ACD, ABD equals to ACD by CPCD, corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Okay, so angle B equals to angle C. We have proved. Theorem 7.3, the sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Here this is converse theorem of 7.2. If two angles are given equal, then the opposite sides are equal. Okay, it does not need to prove. So friends, exercise 7.2, in an isosceles triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equals to AC. The bisector of B and C, bisector of C, intersect each other at O in the interior of triangle ABC, right? Join A and O also. Show that OB equals to OC as well as OA equals bisects angle A. OA bisects angle A. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, AB equals to AC, AB equals to AC. Therefore ACB equals to ABC. We have seen theorem. If two sides are equal, then opposite angles are equal. See theorem 7.2. Right? Okay. If we divide ACB and ABC by 1/2, by 1/2 on both the sides, because OB and OC are bisectors. So angle OCB and OBC are equal. In triangle BOC, these two angles are equal. If these two angles are equal, as per theorem 7.3, these two sides are equal. That means OB equals to OC. Right? Theorem 7.2. Again, triangle AOB and AOC, these two triangles, OA equals to OA common side, AB equals to AC given, AB and AC are equal, and OB equals to OC we have proved, right? We have proved that OB equals to OC. So by side criteria, these two triangles AOB and AOC are equal. If they are congruent, then the corresponding parts are congruent. Therefore, BAO and CAO are equal, right? By CPCD. Okay. Therefore, OA bisects angle A. If two angles are equal, then OA bisects angle A. We have proved. Question number 2. In triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. If we want to show ABC is an isosceles triangle, then two sides, any of the two sides must be equal. Look, in triangle ABD and ACD, we will take AD equals to AD common side, right? And AD is perpendicular bisector of BC. Then D, angle ADB and ADC, right angles. If it is bisector, then BD equals to DC, right? Therefore, triangle ABD and ACD are equal by side criteria. Therefore, AB equals to AC, AB equals to AC. We have proved here the two sides are equal. Then ABC is an isosceles triangle. Question number 3. Question number 3 says, ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes BE and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB respectively. Sides AC and AB are equal. Altitudes are given. Altitudes, that means right angle. And show that these altitudes are equal. That means BE equals to CF. Okay. Let's consider two triangles. Triangle ABE, this triangle, and this triangle ACF, right? What can we say? AEB equals to AFC. AEB equals to AFC. Both are right angle. Okay. Angle A is common in both the triangles. And AB equals to AC given. This side AB equals to AC given. So by angle side AAA criteria, ABE equals to ACF, right? These two triangles are equal. Therefore BE equals to CF. right? BE equals to CF, CPCT. Question number 4. ABC is a triangle in which altitudes BE and CF, two sides AC and AB are equal. Here altitudes are equal given. Altitudes are equal. Show that triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACF. ABE congruent to ACF. Same way we can say. Here altitudes are given equal. So in triangle ABE and ACF, ABE and ACF, AEB equals to AFC, right angles, both the right angles. AEB equals to AFC, 90 degree. Angle A is common, right? And B equals to CF given. BE equals to CF, which is given. So triangle ABE congruous to triangle ACF. Angle, side criteria. Therefore, AB equals to AC by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay, by CPCT we can say AB equals to AC. We have proved, right? So two things we proved here: triangle ABE congruous to triangle ACF and AB equals to AC. Question number 5. And we can say if two sides are equal, then triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Question number 5 says ABC and DBC. Look at the figure. ABC and DBC, two triangles, okay, are two isosceles triangle on the same base BC. BC is the same base. Isosceles triangle, that means BD equals to DC and AB equals to AC. Okay, show that ABD equals to ACD. ABD, this triangle, equals to ACD, this triangle. Let's see. AB equals to AC given, right? AB equals to AC. Therefore, angle ACB equals to ABC. Angle ACB, this angle. Angle opposites to equal side, right? ABC and ACB are equal. Theorem we have seen. 7.2. In triangle DBC, similar thing happens. DBC, BD equals to DC given, BD equals to DC, right? DC and BD are equal. If they are equal, then DCB, this angle, and DBC, this angle, are equal. Now let's add both 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. ACB plus DCB. ACB plus DCB equals to ABC plus DBC, right? So if we add both, we get ABD equals to ACD, right? Sides are given. If we take triangle ABD and ACD, AB equals to AC given, angle ABD equals to angle ACD given, proved, and BD equals to DC. By side angle side criteria, triangle ABD congruous to triangle ACD. Okay, we needed to prove this. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is given. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equals to AC. Triangle ABC, this AB equals to AC given. Side BA is produced to D such that AD equals to AB. That means A is midpoint. Show that angle BCD is right angle. BCD is right angle. Look at the figure and the question. In triangle ABC, AB equals to AC given, right? AB equals to AC. Therefore, ACB equals to ABC, opposite angles of equal sides. Similarly, triangle ADC, look at triangle ADC, this triangle. Here AC equals to AD because AB equals to AC and AB equals to AD. Therefore, we can say AC equals to BD. So same thing happen. Angle C equals to angle D. That means ACD equals to ADC. Right? Now triangle this. In triangle BDC, the whole triangle, full triangle. Angle DBC, angle DBC plus BCD plus CDB, angle sum property, right, is equals to 180. But what we have proved here, we need BCD is 90. BCD is 90. So what is DBC? DBC, let's see. One, we can say ABC equals to ACB. ABC equals to ACB, right? Okay. So DBC, here we have written ACB plus ACB plus ACD plus ACD equals to 180. From 1 and 2, look at here. Here ACD equals to ADC and AB equals to AC, AD equals to AB. So ACB plus ACB, because BCD is sum of ACB and ACD, right? So ACB. Again, this angle equals to this angle equals to this angle, right? So we can write ACB plus ACB plus ACD plus ACD. So 2ACB plus 2ACD, here should be ACD, not ACB, ACD. Okay, so 2ACD ACB plus 2 plus ACD equals to 180. If we take ACB plus ACD equals to BCD, look, ACB plus ACD equals to BCD, right? Here BCD is 90 because 2 will go there. Therefore BCD is a right angle. Okay. Now question number 7. In question number 7, ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle in which A is right angle. AB equals to AC given. Find B and C. Find B and C. Oh, it's very easy. Look, A is right angle and AB equals to AC. So B equals to C. Is it? Angles opposite to equal sides. So A plus B plus C, angle sum property, equals to 180. 90, A is 90. So B plus B, we can write B in place of C because B equals to C. 180. So 2B equals to 180 minus 90. 90 will go at the opposite side. So angle B equals to 90 upon 2. Therefore B is 45. But B equals to C. Therefore C is also 45. We have found out. Question number 8 and the last of the exercise. Show that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree. Angles are 60 degree. Look, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, that means A equals to B equals to C. All the angles are equal. With angle sum property, we can say A plus B plus C equals to 180. We write A, all the sides, in place of all the angles. That means B equals to A, C equals to A. So A plus A equals to 180. Therefore, 3 of angle A equals to 180. Therefore, A equals to 180 upon 3. Therefore, A equals to 60. Angle A equals to angle B and equals to angle C. Therefore, it is 60. So, all the angles are 60. Each angle is 60. Friends, आप हमारे साथ बने रहे और आपने ये पूरा वीडियो देखा, उसके लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और दूसरी बात कि आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को सजेस्ट करेंगे ताकि ये कोर्स उनको भी काम में आए और वो भी कुछ एक्स्ट्रा कर पाए। ये वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा देखिए और जब भी आपको समझ में नहीं आए तो उसको दोबारा देखिए ताकि ये अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ जाए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।